Have you ever wondered how much a truck driver make in Canada? Why a lot of international students are going into trucking after finishing their study? How much a pharmacist can make in Canada? So today's video we will be talking regarding the highest paying jobs in Canada. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RNF Preet. I hope you are doing well. So this video is going to be regarding the highest paying jobs in Canada after pandemic in 2022. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the topic. On number 12, we have customer service representative. The annual salary range is from $29,000 to $50,000. Customer service representative interact with customers on behalf of an organization. For example, they usually work in grocery stores and shopping malls. They provide info about the products and services. They take orders and respond to customer complaints and process returns. You will have to receive just on-job training to become a customer service representative. There is no such criteria. You can start working as customer service representative after doing your grade 12. So moving on, we have laborers. So laborers, the annual salary is $29,000 to $52,000 per year. Canada is experiencing shortage of laborers on construction site, farms and assembly lines. Pandemic made it difficult for seasonal and immigrant workers to enter Canada. That's why the laborers are in demand job in Canada in 2022. So you don't need any qualification to become a laborer and you can earn skills while working for this job. On number 10, we have maintenance workers. Their yearly salary ranges from $29,000 to $57,000 per year. And maintenance worker will always be in demand. They kept things running during the pandemic as well. Their duties depend on where they work. For example, building maintenance, they usually work in hospitals, clinics, malls, and restaurants. And then equipment maintenance, they usually work to repair the defected machines and to do inspections over time. They usually work in food industry, household, and hospitals. You will get on-job training to become a maintenance worker. So they usually give you orientation when you start working. IT support technician. The annual salary ranges from $35,000 to $63,000 per year. Trend to work from home during the pandemic is increased. That's why we are relying mostly on computers. If we have any defects in computer, we usually call the IT support technician. They are in greater demand, and the education requirement for this job is that you need diploma in this field and certification in variety of programs as per your client needs. On number 8, we have truck drivers. The annual salary ranges from $40,000 to $73,000. They are important link in the supply chain. They haul goods from one place to another place over the long distance. The requirements for commercial truck drivers is you need driver's license according to the type of truck you will be driving. And also you have to finish some driving course plus pass the physical test and an eye examination. So why international students are going into trucking? Because after finishing their study they can go on work permit, and after getting their license they can drive the truck. If you drive the domestic truck, you can start earning up to $25 per hour. If you are going long haul, then there are some companies who can pay up to 45 to 65 cents per mile. So a lot of international students would like to go into trucking because they would like to make more money. So moving on number 7, we have financial advisors. So their annual salary ranges from $41,000 to $72,000. And the pandemic forced everyone to consider finances and how to manage their money. That's why the financial advisors are in more demand after pandemic in 2022. So they advise individuals and family to manage their money. In order to get this job, you typically need bachelor's in finance related field. On number 6 come engineers. So annual salary ranges from $51,000 to $95,000. Electrical engineers, the companies relies on automation and computer system. They are responsible for designing, developing and testing electrical systems. and components and responsible for their safe operations. To work, you need a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering and then meeting the requirements of regulatory body in province or territory. Manufacturing engineers. They design layout of plants. They focus nowadays to keep workers socially distanced. Education requirement is bachelor's in industrial engineering. Proceeding further, the number 5th position is security analyst. The annual salary ranges from $49,000 to $93,000. The online computer use led to cybersecurity importance. Security analyst identifies the risk to company security and find the ways to neutralize threats before they become problems. Education need is bachelor's in a computer related field to start working as security analyst. Proceeding further, on number 4th, we have registered nurses. The annual salary ranges from $54,000 to $96,000. This job is with highest starting salary. There is shortage of nurses in Canada from a long time, and there is gonna be increased shortage in future as well. So what is the reason behind the shortage? This is due to the resigning of nurses because of burnout and health related issues during pandemic. All nurses are in demand in Canada, but RNs are the highest earners in this profession. To work as a registered nurse, you need to have bachelor's of science in nursing and meet the licensing requirement of province or territory. Proceeding further, on number 3, we have human resource managers. They have annual salary ranges from $60,000 to $90,000. They are responsible for recruiting the right talent in Canada's tight job market. This is the most in-demand job in Canada. The human resource managers make sure worker needs are met while keeping companies' interest in the mind. They need bachelors in field like human resource management to start working as human resource managers. Moving on number 2nd, we have supply chain and projects manager. Supply chain managers, the annual salary ranges from $54,000 to $115,000. They are responsible for movement of goods from manufacturer to the supplier and then to the customer. To work as supply chain managers, you need to have bachelor's degree or diploma in chain management. On the other side, we have project managers. Annual salary ranges from $51,000 to $117,000. They manage projects and delegate tasks to their workers. They make sure everyone knows their responsibilities. To work as project managers, you need to have bachelor's degree or diploma in project management. Moving on, we have number 1 position among the highest paying jobs in Canada, and this goes to pharmacist. The annual salary ranges from $79,000 to $116,000. They are unsung lockdown heroes as well. Even family practice went online, but people could see the pharmacist for their advice on minor medical issues. The pharmacist is high demand job in Canada, and it is also the highly searched job in Canada. Pharmacist can earn up to average pay of $45 per hour. To start working as pharmacist, you need to have bachelor's in pharmacy and pass the exam conducted by Pharmacy Examining Board of Canada, and then register yourself in province or territory to become certified pharmacist. So friends, that was all regarding today's video. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you and have a good day.